Greetings, my dear students. Hope you are all staying safe and healthy. I'm Meenakshi Khera, a seasoned HR professional having 2 decades of HR experience in multinational and Indian companies to nurture and grow winning teams at global scale across IT, ITES, hospitality, and health sector. I am a regular speaker in various HR forums and a panelist in most of the colleges and universities. I've also nurtured and groomed young millennials from the campuses to start their career in corporate world. I'm currently working as Director HR with EVUME Selection Robot. EVUME Selection Robot is AI-powered robot platform and suite of assessments. It also helps in ranking candidates on assessed competencies for final human round. Today, I'm going to talk about various technologies which are existing rapidly in future. We live in an era where technology plays a very crucial role in our day-to-day life. You check internet, you connect to online stores to buy groceries, watch your favorite show on Netflix, Amazon Prime. All these are not possible without inclusion of technology. The effect of technology is so much that cannot be explained in words. We are growing smarter, growing faster, learning innovative ways and experience things every day. And this is all because of technology and science. So while there are so many new technologies coming up, I would like to highlight 5 major talked about technologies in future. The very first technology I would like to talk about is Internet of Things. Yes, my friends, Internet of Things is also called IoT. IoT is the latest ongoing talk of the town and innovation in the world. In fact, IoT is a system of device and things that are implanted with sensors, software, and electronics to initiate the exchange and collection of data and information. It has already begun changing the world, and we have entered a new technological era with all these things around. The examples of IoT are Philips Hue bulbs. Philips Hue bulbs, the concept is you can link it with your mobile phone and you can actually control the intensity of lights on your fingertips. The next example is Apple Watch and HomeKit. Apple Watch is an example of how advanced the technology is at Apple. आप लोग बहुत सारे लोग Apple Watch यूज करते होंगे जिसमें आप ना सिर्फ कॉल्स अटेंड कर सकते हो बट यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्रैक योर हेल्थ रिकॉर्ड. आप मैप्स उसमें देख सकते हो. You can listen music, any kind of music, and just by a click of watch you can do so many things together, and it is all because of IoT. And apart from Apple Watch, आप लोगों को Siri का पता होगा, I'm sure. Siri is another feature which is so useful that you ask anything from Siri and it gives you a solution there and then. And my dear friends, बहुत सारी jobs हैं IoT में. You can become a web development engineer. आप क्लाउड बेस्ड सीनियर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. You can also become development engineer and so on. So the next technology I'm going to talk about is automation. With rapid development in artificial intelligence and robotics technology, automation is a tipping point. In fact, today robots can play a function without considerable human intervention. Yes, in fact, automated machines are expected to replace almost half of the global workforce. Multiple industries from manufacturing to banking are adopting automation. In fact, they are driving productivity, safety, profitability, and quality. Some of the real-time examples of automation is hiring process. Hiring is one of the toughest tasks in most of the businesses and corporate. And in fact, automated hiring tools can read through application at an amazing speed, search specific keywords to quickly identify the best candidates from thousands of applications. In fact, the company where I'm working, which is Evumi Selection Robot, is nothing but AI powered robot platform and suite of assessments. It also helps in ranking candidates on assessed competencies for final human round. The second example is digital signatures. In fact, electronic signatures are increasingly, becoming common in many business settings, and they can drastically cut down approval times to help teams moving forward. There are various jobs in automation. One of the common is automation testing. That is the most talked about job in automation. You can become automation tester. The third technology I'm going to talk about is cryptocurrency. Yes, cryptocurrency is a digital currency that is created and managed through the use of advanced encryption techniques known as cryptography. Cryptocurrency is taking over almost every industry, whether we realize that or not. It is exponentially growing over the years and has more and more people opting as crypto as an alternative currency. Some of the examples of cryptocurrency, as I have highlighted, is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a technology to operate with no central authority or bank, manages transactions, and issuing of Bitcoins is carried out collectively by the network. The next example is Litecoin. Litecoin launched in 2011, and it was among the first cryptocurrency to follow the footsteps of Bitcoin only. There are a lot of industries such as travel, real estate, education have already started transacting using cryptocurrency. Jobs could be financial analyst, data scientist, research analyst, security architect, technical writer, and so on. The next technology I'm going to talk about is blockchain. Yes, blockchain is a technological innovation that is redefining the way transactions are made. The first generation of blockchain technology revolved around Bitcoin and digital currency. They were basic in nature and did not provide a way to automate tasks around it. And some of the real-time applications of blockchains are security trading. Security trading, you must be knowing stock markets, Sensex. They are all testing with blockchain concept, and simplifying the ineffective procedures involved in security trainings. Trading securities is basically a financial act of buying or selling of safety assets such as currency, stocks, bonds in order to earn more money. And there are different exchanges you must be knowing about: London Stock Exchange, NASDAQ in US, Australian Stock Exchange, and so on. They are all based on blockchain concept. There are various jobs existing in this technology also, like technology architect, product manager, risk analyst, relation manager, analyst, front-end engineer, and so on. The last but not the least technology I'm going to highlight here is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is being adopted by all the big companies, big corporates like Amazon, Google. In fact, without artificial intelligence, we can't even imagine our life, because some of the common examples of artificial intelligence are smartphones. Smartphones, which all of us, majority of us are using today, and they've become indispensable in our life. And the second example is smart cars and drones. Yes, few years back, using fully automatic car was a dream, but now most of the cars running on road are fully automatic. And companies like Amazon and Walmart are heavily investing in drone delivery programs. It is already started in Western countries, and sooner it is going to start in our country also. The jobs existing out of this technology are AI data analyst, machine learning engineer, AI researcher, AI architect, intelligence specialist, and so on. So these were few technologies I have highlighted, but I would suggest all of you to brush up your conceptual knowledge, because that is must. You should be thorough with your basics, and then only you can excel in all these technologies. So I would like to end my session here with a meaningful quote. माना विज्ञान में हमने किया है विशेष, माना विज्ञान में हमने किया है विशेष, फिर भी बहुत कुछ करना है अवशेष. हाँ जी फ्रेंड्स, फिर भी बहुत कुछ करना है अवशेष. So wishing you all the very best. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe. Thank you so very much.